Hi guys, welcome to Fusion World. Today you'll learn about how Google Tag Manager help your business website. Before that, let's understand what is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a tracking tool which you use on your website to track your audience. Who are your new users, who are your old users, who are your returning users, and who are your target audience and how they're behaving on your website. To take a few examples, the parameter called bounce rate, exit speed, how much time they're there on your website, and what is their age range, which location they belongs to, and what all they're doing with your page, which all the pages, sub pages they're going into. Everything can be tracked by Google Analytics. The second we come to Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager is a third-party software where you use Google Analytics to connect your website using Tag Manager. You guys can ask me a question that why we are not using Google Analytics directly on our website. The reason is, if you are working in a big firm or small firm, there is always a backend developer and a digital marketer. So digital marketer gives a bunch of code to backend engineer and backend engineer upload on a website. What will happen? Whenever you have new changes, you have to give your code to your backend developer and he update it. That take a few days or maybe few hours to update a bunch of code because the rules and regulation need to be followed by backend engineer. So this was a problem previously we were facing. So Google came up with a new software that is called Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager, a bunch of code will put inside your website, one time installation and it's done. After that, in Google Tag Manager, you can install Google Analytics, you can use Twitter Analytics, you can use Snapchat Analytics, and you can use Google Analytics. Google Tag Manager is the intermediate between your website and your analytics tool. So let's see how Google Tag Manager works. So here are three parameters. One is your website, second is Google Tag Manager, third is Google Analytics. So a bunch of code will take it from Google Tag Manager, installed in your WordPress, that will make the connection, end-to-end connection will happen over here. Once this connection is over, we'll open a new variable and we'll create a trigger and we'll install Google Analytics in Google Tag Manager. So we are connected our Google Analytics to our website using Google Tag Manager. If you want to do any goal or if you want to change any funnel visualization, you can do directly in Google Tag Manager. You no need to change any code in a website. The one reason why you are using Tag Manager is, if you consider you have 4 tracking tools and 4 tracking code will go on your website and which become heavy on your website and it creates some problem when you are re-editing it. But in Google Tag Manager, it is very easy to separate your all tracking tools. Let's see on hand-on experience how it looks. This is Google Tag Manager. Once you log in, you will see the screen. So we'll go here and we'll create an account. Company name. Let's consider Soupy Kitchen. Okay, let's consider Soupy Kitchen. Country India. Website address. So guys, this is the website where I want to track my user entry and exit, and are they filling the forms, are they scrolling down. Few more things I want to capture over here. Okay, so step number 1, I have my landing page that is ready. So I'll copy the URL over here, come here and paste your URL, www. So you can't go with HTTPS, so let's go with www. Okay, so what is this? This is a website, this is a web page. Okay, so then what we'll do, we'll create account. Then you should agree with the terms and condition. We'll say yes. Then next. In another minute, your Google Tag Manager account will be open. Okay. So in Google Tag Manager, there are 2 codes. One is head code, one is body code. Let's copy the head code. Okay, we copied the head code. Go to your WordPress website and look for header and footer. Okay, so in header section, install your main code, then come back to Google Tag Manager, copy your body code, install on the desktop, and in mobile version also you will install the same thing. Okay, so we installed the Google Tag Manager here. So we'll do save. So now there is a connection between your website to Google Tag Manager. Okay, so once the connection between your website and Google Analytics is done, the third step you have to do is you have to go to Google Analytics. Google Analytics. Okay, so Google Analytics, there is very simple steps you guys to create the account. Once you create the account, I'll show you how to take code format. Okay, so this is the Google Tag Analytics. Go to admin, go to tracking info, tracking code, copy the tracking ID. You don't need to have a code. Okay, we track the code, then come to Google Tag Manager, come to tags, click on tags, new tag. Which tag you want to give? You want to give Google Analytics Universal Analytics. Okay, so you have to name your tag. So we'll name GA Global. Once you do that, we'll go to page view, analytics variable, new variable, Google Analytics settings, tracking ID. So this will be your Google Analytics tracking ID. You can type GA, save it. Once it is saved, okay, once it's saved, put a trigger all page. So this is a home page, so we're putting all page, save. Okay, so what we did right now, we connected our Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager. Now go to submit test 1. So we are doing any testing, test 1. You can write a connected website to GA. Okay, submit. Now we successfully installed Google Analytics in a website using Google Tag Manager. Guys, we successfully installed Google Tag Manager in our website. Let's see whether it is working or not. Go to real time overview, open my website one more time and see here. Maybe we'll give some more time over here. See, there is one more entry, 2 people. So this is how you keep on going. Let's wait a minute. The 1% and one more. Yeah. So this is one way to check your website is working or not. What is the second way to check the website is working? Your analytics is installed in a website or not. Go to Google Tag Manager, click on preview. And it will ask about your website, put your website and connect. The automatically debug window will open. Google Tag Assistant connected. So this means you are successfully installed your Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics to your website. Thank you guys for watching this video. Keep eye on our channel for further notifications.